Hello and welcome back. Fiverr offers three types of withdrawals. Two are provided by Payoneer and the third one by PayPal. Keep in mind that the availability of these services depends on the coverage that our withdrawal providers have. Sellers can only make a withdrawal once every 24 hours, and the maximum amount that can be withdrawn daily is $5,000. The amount in your balance will be withdrawn if the amount is below $5,000, and Fiverr does not charge any fees for processing a withdrawal. However, each withdrawal provider has a specific fees depending on the type of withdrawal processed. If you are withdrawing in a currency other than US dollar, you will be asked to confirm the withdrawal currency and the amount, which will include the conversion fees, therefore appear reduced as it will be exact amount that will be sent to your withdrawal account in non-US dollar after conversion fees are applied. So if you set up your account with PayPal, then in withdrawn area click the PayPal account. The minimum withdrawal amount is $1. Fiverr does not charge a fee when withdrawing to PayPal. And if you set up your account with the Fiverr revenue card, then in withdraw area click the Fiverr revenue card. The minimum withdrawal with the Fiverr revenue card is $30. To receive the funds within 2 days, the fee to withdrawal is $1. To receive your funds within 2 hours, the fee is $3. And for the bank transfer, click the bank transfer. There is a $3 charge per withdrawal. Additional fees may be applied based on your location and currency, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $20. So in my case, I will transfer my funds clicking on bank transfer button. So my payment goes into the Payoneer account, and within 2 to 3 days Payoneer sends this payment to my bank account. So as you can see in this video, so that's the brief overview about Fiverr withdrawal process. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.